Hi there, my name is Neil with the Water Services Division with Trail Appliances, and today I wanted to show you how to change your filter for your Gold, Platinum, or Signature system in 5 easy steps. So let's roll up our sleeves and get going. Step number 1, we're going to take a look at the water flow of your system. Typically it's plumbed in this way. You've got these 3 valves, and these are the 3 ones that we need to talk about. So the first thing that we're going to do, we've got sort of a north-south orientation on those valves. We're going to turn them to an east-west. So we're going to turn this one here, this one here, and here. Step number 2, we've got to depressurize the system. So we're just going to push down on this red button. It's going to release all the water coming out of it. Step number 3 is using your wrench that you got when you purchased the system. We're simply going to go into here. We're going to loosen the system up. Now it's important to know at this point, please have a cloth or a small bucket ready. There is going to be some water. Step number 4, remove the old filter and put in the new filter. There's a slot that sits inside of the filter canister. Line that up and it'll make putting the new filter in easy. New filter in place, tighten down with your wrench. And basically what we're going to do now for step 5 is to reverse the process. Slowly turn these valves back into place. And that's it.